Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial on WordPress. So today we learn how to create a packing slip, packing invoice in our WooCommerce products on for order page and our emails of our clients. Sometimes we need a packing slip for our customers to send a hard copy or a soft copy. So how to create, today we learn how to create that invoice in our WooCommerce. So we need one plugin. So go to our plugins. Add new plugin. So here's we type packing slip. So you can see a lot of plugins we have here. So we can use this one, this one, this one, which one? We have a lot of plugins, so which were not recommended of a specific plugin. You can use your own choice. You can use this one, you can use this one. This is also a good web toffee plugin, so you can also use this one. So these all are similar, a little configuration are different, but our result are similar. So we are using this one because we have a lot of downloads. So according to these plugins, so it has more downloads and more reviews, so it's more satisfied for us. And the most important thing is a last update 1 week ago. This is a 3 week ago. This is also 1 week ago, but this download is more than other plugins. So we are using this plugin. Now simply install, activate. As usual WordPress plugins, we can activate it and using. When the installing is complete, you can configure our plugin, and you just ignore these messages because we have a lot of plugins so activated, so that's why there are some payment options and they are error messages are here in our development server. So you just ignore that messages. We have successfully activated our packing slip. So just deactivate this plugin. So packing invoice, this packing invoice is activated. Go to our setting. So here is our setting. We can manage. So because we don't have any order have placed, so first we need to place one order. So go to here, add to cart, different products, view cart. So here's proceed to checkout. We just place an order. So here's basic information. I am pausing the video, fill the information and place the order. So we need to first need to activate our payment option for WooCommerce. So currently I am activated cash on delivery for basic testing purpose. Activate our orders for orders. We just reload this page. Now you can see here's the option of payment method. So we are adding some dummy details here. Just place an order. This is only for our testing purpose to creating our invoice, because we don't have order on this website currently. So just place an order. After completing order, yes, order is completed successfully. So go back here and reload our this page. So here's our address. Now here you can also using our you can also use HTML code or PHP code to create your own template. So here's the file location where we create a template, simple. So if you are using simple, we have all other options. So just check. You have just one option, simple. So you can go to this file locations and create your own templates like HTML, CSS. So how do you want to view PDF? Download PDF option you want, You want to open a PDF in new browser tab or window, which option you want to. PDF size A4 letter, so different sizes are available. So for test mode, extended currency symbol support, you can also currency symbol support. So enable a font subsetting, shop header logo. This is very important. If you want to place a logo of your website here, just a simpling, I'm using this one because this is a simple image. So for this is only for testing purpose. So when you place the image here, the image resolution is exceeded, so resolution is exceeded the recommended size. So you can see the size of little disturb. So because this is a testing purpose, you can also set your size according to your requirement. So let's suppose 3 cm. Let's make a little small. So here's you name your shop, which is you want WordPress shop. You can see your address details are here, and here's the your shop address XYZ. You can also term and condition if you want to add a note in your notes. Item is refunded within 7 days. So here within 7, if you want to, here you can see the note you can also add here. You can also extra fields, you can also something extra. Yes, you can see in the field some extra fields are come where we place the hash, where with the extra fields I can't find. Yeah, so extra fields are not enabled, I think so, in setting. So just save option, and you save your PDF is created. Invoice or packing slip, you also setting up your packing slip. You can set up as an invoice, so you can set a both of differently. So here's our document option. So this is an invoice or packing slip. Enable on new order, add one email, cancel order, on hold order, completed order, and refunded order. So you can set your own disable status, which one you to want. If you want to disable of this specific WordPress status, WooCommerce status, so you can set here display email address. If you want to display the email address in the invoice or phone number, we have a lot of options for here. If you want to a number prefix and padding suffix, you can also use here. Let's suppose invoice number prefix is WP, so number is started from 1. Invoice number. Yes, this is invoice number. You can see here invoice number is WP and is a counting one. If you want to set a invoice number as a order number, so it's also a modified. Order number is not recommended, maybe lead or gaps in the invoice sequence, so it's not recommended. So just order number. Invoice date, if you want to print invoice date or order date, you can also set up your order date already on this short. If invoice date as a invoice date, so once the invoice is created, so the date is completed. Reset invoice number yearly. If you want to reset the yearly number, so you can set here. We have a lot of options. If you are exploring these options, you can just save and hold. So our next part is how to download this invoice and how to receive this invoice. So the first thing, because we are on localhost, so first emails or sometime emails are not sent to us order customer and admin. So you can, when you are a live server, so you can see the emails has been sent on admin email, and also invoice sent to admin email, also send to user email. So here's, you just create your invoice, PDF invoice, just click. You can see is open a new tab. We are set allocation setting the invoice is opening a new tab. We have also setting to set up the setting, download the invoice from here. Here you can see that here's our invoice created date, invoice created order date, and the items of details, SKU, kgs, and each and everything details are here. So finally we have set up our invoice successfully. So if you like our video, please thumbs up, and if don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channels for more and latest content. Thank you very much.